The Prelude by Janko, Polić, Kamov. I shall rape you, blank paper, virginal paper. My passion is mighty, and you will barely stand it. You flee my fury, and you are pale with horror. A kiss on your parlour, my kisses are black. There is no law above you, and for me the laws are dead. I run from them, and my escape is swift. I pass that way where bowed napes grovel, where dogs celebrate orgies and licking is their debauchery. You flee, shy doe, and you tremble like the first shame. Innocence is enticing and madness is its echo. Oh, I'm frantic, O paper, and anger burns in my eye. The people are pious, and their tails are between their legs. There is no sincerity in their eyes, and their walk is drifting. Their job is sniffing around, and their wages are rich. There is no place for me amongst them, and my word is punishable. I swallow my thoughts, and shame will choke me. Oh, stop, oh love, listen to my pain. You accept the word of man, and yet the ass does not understand man. Oxen pull a plough, and servitude brings them hay. A little horse carries a boyer, and its hair is shiny. A hog is being fed richly, and its meat is appetizing. The laws are slight and strict, and the barns are crammed with oats. Do not slip by, kissed girl. There is no woman for me. They don't give themselves up for nervous kisses and tense skin. I have no gold, nor is there any diploma without it. Oh, I love you, paper, and my love is warm, warm like my blood and frantic like my anger. Give yourself to me forever. My kisses are black, black are my kisses, and ruddy is the blood within them.